1. Install Zender on iPhone. Download and install the Zender app from the App Store on your iPhone. 2. Connect iPhone and laptop to same Wi-Fi network. Ensure that both your iPhone and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for Zender to establish a connection between the devices. 3. Open Zender on iPhone. Launch the Zender app on your iPhone. Start the transfer process. In the Zender app, tap on the plus button. Choose the Connect to PC option. 5. Scan the QR code. Zender will display a URL on your iPhone screen. Open a web browser on your laptop and enter the displayed URL. 6. Access files on laptop. Once you enter the URL on your iPhone screen, your iPhone will be connected to your laptop. The Zender web interface will display on your laptop, showing your iPhone's file system.
7. Transfer photos or videos. Select your desired photo or videos from your laptop and drag it to your iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to transfer your photos or videos from your laptop to your iPhone using Zender efficiently.